In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the causes of brain fog, including the number one cause of brain fog. I will talk about the symptoms of brain fog and how you can treat brain fog, actually cure brain fog. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy Paulson. I am a health coach, mother of 6 amazing children, and I am obsessed with helping you to learn how to take care of your health so that you can feel great naturally. Okay, so let's talk about brain fog. You know that when you just can't focus, you feel like there really is a cloud in your brain where you used to be faster at thinking, doing things, staying focused, staying on task. And I know I experienced a lot of this after having children. People call it mommy brain, which is a real thing. It's been shown that brain fog is something that develops within our brain when there's some slight inflammation. So what is the number one cause of brain fog? Well, the number one cause of brain fog is actually aging. Now, let's explain this a little bit more. When I talk about aging, what I mean is that when we're born, we have a chemical. It's the second most prevalent molecule within our body. It's called NAD. And NAD levels are a certain height when we are born, and as we age, they decrease over time. And in our mid-20s, we usually have about half the amount of NAD reserves that we had when we were a baby. So we naturally have this decline in NAD levels. Now, why is this important? Well, NAD, if we don't have it, we'll die. Just like water. So water is the most prevalent molecule in our body. NAD is the number 2 molecule. This was discovered in the early 1900s, but we really didn't know, what does it mean? How does it impact us? Well, NAD actually helps to produce energy within our bodies. Cellular energy, metabolic energy, physical energy. So it takes food and converts that into energy so that our cells can do the processes that they are meant to do. And so as time goes on, we have less and less NAD. So you might experience not only brain fog, but you might experience weight gain. You might experience less energy, low libido, hormone fluctuations, just a lot of things go on as we age. And a lot of this has to do with our lower NAD levels. So what else causes our NAD levels to drop besides just time? These things are things that also increase brain fog, or on the counter, if we are managing them well, these lifestyle choices, that it will help to reduce or eliminate brain fog naturally. So stress is a big one. Because the amount of energy our bodies take, it pulls on those NAD reserves to manage stress. So stress, sleep, lack of exercise, toxins. So if eating things with chemicals, preservatives, additives, a lot of sugar, those things cause our body to pull on those reserves, those NAD reserves, more than if we were getting all the nutrients that our bodies need, if we were exercising, if we were managing stress, if we were getting a good night's sleep. So those are the things that cause us to age. And so there are lifestyle choices that we can make that will help to reduce the effects of aging and that can help to increase our NAD levels. These same things are the things that will help to treat brain fog. They'll be the things that can cure your brain fog. So the first one, this is foundational, is nutrition, nutrients. So there are certain nutrients that our bodies need, that our cells will need to build each cell in our body, right? And so we need to make sure that we're getting those nutrients from eating right. And also there are precursors that are needed to create more NAD. So we have this reserve, but we can also create more. So nutrition, supplementation, and I'm going to talk about one supplement that is incredible for helping to really exponentially raise those NAD levels. The second thing is learning how to manage stress, because if we're good at managing stress, then it won't cause so much havoc on our bodies. It won't cause premature aging. Exercise. So we will want to make sure that we're exercising. It's been shown that if we exercise even 10 minutes a day, that we will raise those NAD levels. Also, reducing toxins. So paying attention to the air that you're breathing in your home, the chemicals that you're breathing in, that you're bringing in to clean your home, the food that you're eating, they have toxins. And they may not kill you now, but they are definitely depleting your NAD levels. Another trick to curing that brain fog is intermittent fasting. If you haven't learned about this, I would recommend you watch my other videos about intermittent fasting, but it's been shown that when you are doing that period of time when you're not eating, that you're sticking food in your mouth for less than 8 hours a day, that your NAD levels will rise. And another thing that is really easy to do, because fasting might be difficult, exercise might be difficult, changing your diet might be difficult, is taking an NMN supplement. So NMN is a precursor molecule. It's something that is needed in order to create NAD. So NAD is actually a really large molecule. And so taking NAD specifically isn't effective. It's not bioavailable. Our bodies don't use that as well, as it can't get into the cell. So because it's so large, it can't get into the cell to do what it needs to do to create that energy for us so that our bodies can do what they're meant to do. But taking a precursor, specifically NMN, that is a smaller molecule that can go inside the cell, and that NMN is used to create NAD in our body. So it's been shown that when you take an NMN supplement, that your NAD levels will rise, which means it slows your aging process, which can actually not just slow the aging process, but can reverse it so that your biological age is actually younger. And it will help to get rid of that brain fog and to keep it away for your lifespan, right? The problem with NMN supplements is that there have been companies who have tested them that are on the market. You can go to Amazon, you can go online, you can see that they range from $24 to $95 for 60 capsules of NMN. And the majority of those, 90% plus, have been shown to be either not NMN, or they are toxic in the fact that they have degraded because they only stay stable for about 60 days. Unless you're using a certain type of NMN that is shelf life stable. And I want to share with you what that is. I will go ahead and link that up, that you can see what is important when you're looking for an NMN supplement. So you're getting that pure form that is bioavailable, that hasn't degraded because it's been sitting on a shelf or has been made in China or somewhere. And so it's really important that if you're wanting to take an NMN supplement, that you're making sure that it's pure and potent and available for your body to use so that you can raise those NAD levels. And not only will this help with brain fog, this will also help with weight. This will help with blood sugar regulation. So if you have diabetes, it will help with that. Or if you're pre-diabetic, it will help with hormone regulation. It will help with boosting your physical energy levels, not just your metabolic energy levels. It will also help you to have more focus and be that person that you were meant to be for longer, and expand your health span, not just your lifespan, but the healthy years within your life. So if you have any questions, if I didn't cover something, if you still have like a question about something that I've said, please post it in the comments. And that's how I know how I can create more videos that are helpful for you. Make sure that you click the subscribe and also catch the next video, or look through my videos for the Feel Great Jumpstart. This incorporates an amazing system that will help bring that NMN and a lot of other great things into your life so that you can feel great and do that something special that you were meant to do. And another really simple way to help eliminate brain fog is with essential oils. So specifically peppermint and eucalyptus. These have been shown to help with supporting the brain in that way. And you can put them in a roller bottle. If you don't know how to make roller bottles, I'll link that up, and also below, that you can see how to do this and how to get essential oils in your home. But basically, you can rub it on your temples. I put some on my wrists, and then I'll breathe it in. It will be inhaled and go up into your brain. And then also, if you rub some on the back of your neck, at the base of your skull, your brain stem, that they will be absorbed there and help to support your brain and that brain fog.